page 34. Therefore, it is imperative that you understand the following 3 points from Genevieve Breran's phenomenal book, Your Invisible Power, John was working with earlier. For they will help you to develop the understanding you need to form the expectant attitude. Now, let's take a look at these 3 points. All space is filled with a creative power. It's not just inside, it's like we said earlier, it's everywhere. This creative power is amenable to suggestion. You create the idea, and as you get emotionally involved in it, you've placed it in the universe, and the entire universe comes to your beck and call. Such a phenomenal idea for us to grasp. We say the creative power only works by deductive methods. John covered that early yesterday. What do we mean by that? Deductive methods. It only has the ability to accept the idea and move it into all its necessary parts for the manifestation of the idea. It has no ability to add one fact, one idea, one thought. It cannot add anything to it. It's like a mold. What you pour in, that's what you get back. This creative power only works by deductive methods. You build the picture, I'm telling you, just think about it. You can build a picture in your mind, you turn it over, and that's the way your